how to find my Facebook user ID and username. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find our Facebook user ID and username very quickly and easily. So let's just get started without any delay. So open our Facebook, and once we open our Facebook, we can head over to our profile. And within our profile, we can just go over and look out for the URL or the profile link option. So go ahead and look out for the URL. Look out for the edit profile and select the option of URL from here. Otherwise, you can also find a 3-dot option in the top that we can click on. And when we click on it, here we'll be finding a profile link option. We just need to go over and tap on this copy link option, and that is our username right here. So right beside the facebook.com/ we have our name, that is our username right there. This is one of the methods. If we want to find a user ID within the space right here, again go to the 3-dot in the top and go ahead and look out for the option called copy link. Once the link is copied, you can just go and paste it elsewhere in Notes or, for example, Chrome itself. So go ahead and paste it. And once we paste it, here in the very last section, we'll be finding a code. That code right there is our user ID. So we just need to go over and follow out this method and we should be able to do it. This is how we do it. So that's it, everybody. Not all the profiles show numeric ID directly. Some accounts only use username, but this is how we find both of our username and user ID easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.